Welcome to this step-by-step guide to the Afterpay debit card. The Afterpay debit card is a digital payment method that allows you to make purchases online and in-store using your available funds. To get started, you will need to download the Afterpay app and sign into your account. Once you have signed in, you will need to navigate to the Card tab and select the option to add the Afterpay card to your digital wallet. This will allow you to make purchases using your available funds. You can use the Afterpay debit card anywhere that Visa is accepted. When you make a purchase using the Afterpay debit card, the amount will be deducted from your available funds. You will receive a notification after each transaction to confirm the amount that has been deducted. It is essential to ensure that you have sufficient funds in your account before making a purchase. To avoid any declined transactions, you can check your available balance at any time by logging into the Afterpay app. One of the key benefits of the Afterpay debit card is that it allows you to make purchases without going into debt. You can only spend what you have available in your account, which helps you to budget and manage your finances effectively. To avoid any issues with your Afterpay debit card, it is crucial to keep your account information up to date. This includes your email address, phone number, and payment method. In addition to the debit card, Afterpay also offers a range of other features to help you manage your finances. These include the ability to track your spending and set budgets. By following these steps and using the Afterpay debit card responsibly, you can enjoy the benefits of a digital payment method while maintaining control over your finances. Remember to always check your available balance before making a purchase and keep your account information up to date to avoid any issues.